Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Where's my mic? Take a second. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well, and if you guys are not doing well, then you will be fine someday. In a while, it will take some time, but it will be fine. What the fuck was that accent, भाई? क्या बोल रहा हूँ? कोई बात नहीं. Already 2 takes ले चुका हूँ मैं. अच्छे से एंट्री नहीं मार पा रहा हूँ. मैंने डिसाइड किया था कि ये वाला टेक बेस्ट टेक होएगा, but I did kind of fuck up. But who decides that I fucked up? I do. So let's just decide that I did not fuck up, and this was a very perfect introduction of a YouTube video. Okay. I don't know मैं इतना anxious क्यों था भाई 2 सेकंड के लिए. मैं एक बात बोलना चाहता था कि I've talked about a lot of things that I've overcome, but there is something I still have not been able to deal with. मतलब मुझसे हो ही नहीं रहा है ये. कैसे ठीक होगा ये मुझे नहीं पता. मतलब करूँगा कभी ना कभी, but अभी नहीं हो पा रहा है. The all or nothing mindset. ठीक है. What does that mean? If you already know what it means, then awesome. But not so awesome also, because I believe you also have the same problem, and it's not a good problem to have. All or nothing basically means कि अगर मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि कल मैं प्रोडक्टिव होऊंगा, तो कल सिर्फ 1 घंटा पढ़ाई करके प्रोडक्टिव फील नहीं होगा. कल मुझे 4 बजे उठना होगा, गर्म पानी पीना होगा, लेमन वाटर, स्ट्रेच करना होगा, और 1 घंटा वॉक पे जाना होगा, वापस आना होगा, नहाना होगा, और मेडिटेट करना होगा, ब्रेकफास्ट खुद से बना के खाना होगा, फिर पढ़ाई वगैरह कुछ करनी होगी, एंड देन अगेन some work, whatever, then lunch करना होगा, and all this in perfect calorie amount, because I will be dieting, because I'm trying to lose a little bit weight, whatever, and then I have to go to the gym also शाम में, and then have a perfect amount of protein, and also make my protein shake, and also sleep by 10, and read a book before I go to bed, and also have a screen time under 2 hours, and yeah, and then wake up at 4 a.m. again. That's what productivity is. Can't do a single thing. If you ask me to just wake up at 8 a.m. and have a glass of hot honey water, I won't feel productive, because I have to do everything. I have to do every single thing if I have to do one thing. And same goes with my YouTube. Like why did I not start this like way before? I could have started this in Feb or March or whatever. But I was like, oh no, I'm gonna edit my videos. But then when it comes to editing, I have to be perfect. There is perfectionism also, which I have not fixed yet, worked on. We will not use the word fixed. My therapist told me not to use the word fixed, and just use the word progressed or worked on or working on. So we are still working on perfectionism. But yeah, so then I started posting unedited videos. That is nothing, because I can do every single thing I can do, which is all the things I know, and then there is nothing. And right now I'm doing nothing with my YouTube channel, which is fine. But like, I can't even, I could have added captions. Like, I can add captions. Somebody told me to add captions. But if I try to add captions, then I have to do everything. I have to color grade, I have to cut videos in a good manner, where if I stop speaking, then there is a cut, and then it has to be perfect. और अगर perfect नहीं हो पा रही है, तो फिर ऐसे ही वीडियो डल रही है. तो ये दिक्कत ओवरकम नहीं हो पा रही है मेरे से, और ये बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है मेरी लाइफ की. क्योंकि मतलब अभी मेरे को सोशल मीडिया का एग्जाम्पल आ रहा है, बिकॉज दैट्स व्हाट आई एम डूइंग राइट नाउ. Why can't I post daily vlogs? Like, why do I forget? I do forget to record sometimes, but when I go out, I have a lot of footage, but the footage is not perfect. Like, reel के लिए एकदम perfect amount of videos and perfect amount of aesthetics and whatever चाहिए मुझे, तभी मैं रील बना पाऊँगा. बट नहीं हो रहा है तो मैं नहीं बना रहा हूँ रील, और अगर बना रहा हूँ तो फिर मतलब it's just बना दिया, सब कुछ डाल दिया. Either I care about something so much that it eats me up, or I don't care about anything at all, which is so exhausting. Because when I don't care about anything, I feel like, why do I not care about things? Like, what the fuck am I doing if I'm not caring about things? And if I care too much, I'm just drained. I'm exhausted. What the fuck? So yeah, that's that. I hope I post a video in 6 months about this, or 3 months, whatever, however long it takes to overcome this. But this has been a long, very like old problem of mine. I think it has been. I mean every problem starts somewhere, like as a child. But as long as I can remember, I think I've had this all or nothing mindset since the past 3-4 years, and a lot of people have pointed it out also. And I've tried. I don't know how to fix it. How to how to get better at it, not fix it. How to get better at it. I am trying, and I think that's all what matters. Yeah, I don't have much to say in this one. It's just a lot. ओके मैंने अभी केक खाया. मुझे डाइट शुरू करनी है कब से. और मैं पता है इसलिए तो नहीं. अब इफ़ यू हैव बिन ऑन माई इंस्टाग्राम फॉर अ वाइल एंड आई हैव बिन सेइंग कि अभी डाइट शुरू करूँगा, अभी डाइट शुरू करूँगा. क्यों नहीं हो पा रही डाइट शुरू? क्योंकि पूरा प्रोसेस नहीं हो पा रहा. मैं 4 बजे नहीं उठ पा रहा हूँ तो कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा है मुझसे. आई नीड टू वेक अप एट 4 टू डू एवरीथिंग इन माई डे परफेक्टली. ओके, दैट्स ऑल. प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब, share, comment, like. Please like, share, comment, subscribe if you like me or my channel or my bed or my background or this mic, anything. If you like those fake flowers also, please subscribe. I love you. Take care, and everything does get better. Don't worry about it. It's okay to worry about it, but don't worry about it every single second. Chill karo thoda.